This is the back of our house in Richmond, and we don't get Alabama type storms for sure, but when we got home from work yesterday, this is what we had in the backyard. This was a big, beautiful tree, probably about 150 years old, if not more. And you can see in the windstorm we had, it didn't just blow down, it snapped off about 6 feet up. And somewhere underneath there is a fence. You might be able to see it, but so this big beautiful tree is no more. And luckily no dogs were harmed during the storm. Just one big beautiful old tree and one fence that is crushed beyond recognition. So the landlord came by today and started cutting up the tree, and all the kind of brush stuff is off of it. You can get a little better idea of the size of the tree. I think it was a little misleading with all the other brush stuff on it before. This kind of puts it into a little bit more perspective. Kind of sad to see such a big, beautiful tree no more. There's perspective doggy back there. Cooper, come here for perspective. Come here. Thank you. Perspective. Dog. Big honking tree that fell down.